Hello friends, today our topic is Sade Sati. As you know, nowadays Saturn is transiting in Aquarius. Now, how to analyze this Sade Sati? People most of the time analyze Sade Sati saying that Saturn is transiting from moon in this house and this will happen. They forget that it's a transit. The main thing is Dasha running at the time of Sade Sati. If the Lagna of native is Yog Karak, that is Libra or Taurus, or Saturn is exalted, or at the time of Sade Sati, native is running the Dasha of any Yog Karak planet or exalted planet or a planet aspected by more benefic, then Sade Sati will not be bad. In Parashara, it is said that first phase, that is when Saturn is transiting from moon in the 12th house, it is very destructive. Second phase, that is absolutely bad when it is transiting over natal moon. And last phase, when Saturn is transiting in the second house from moon, financial losses. Now Saturn is transiting in Kumbha. So first phase will be for native having moon in Makar. Second phase will be people, those having moon in the Kumbha. And third phase or last phase will be people having moon in the Meena Rashi. So its results are not only based on the transit of Saturn but mainly based on the Dasha running at the time of Sade Sati. If someone feels bad, there is one more method, Astak Varga. If Saturn is transiting in more bindus in Sarvastak Varga, Sade Sati will not be bad. But if it's transiting in the less bindu, then remedy of Sade Sati is do parikrama of Kokila Vin at Kosi in UP on Saturdays. Do Shani Neel Stotra by Dashrath or visit Shingnapur temple in Maharashtra. We have our 15 prime ministers while they were running their Sade Sati. Thank you.